Have you ever been curious about the mysterious liquids that make high-tech products run smoothly and cosmetics feel silky? Today, let's unveil the mysterious wheel of low-viscosity vinylsiliconeoil together. Low-viscosity vinylsiliconeoil, with its unique low-viscosity characteristics, exhibits unparalleled fluidity in mixing, coating, can maintain stable physical and chemical properties at both high and low temperatures. In the beauty industry, it is the preferred ingredient for many skincare and makeup products, gives the products a silky touch, allowing the skin to enjoy an unprecedented comfortable experience. With just a touch, beauty is within reach. In the electronics industry and lubricants in automotive manufacturing, also in aerospace materials in biomedical engineering, the application of low-viscosity vinylsiliconeoil is ubiquitous. It is the invisible hero of modern industry. More importantly, low-viscosity vinylsiliconeoil has good biocompatibility and environmental characteristics. While pursuing efficiency, we also do not forget to protect our home planet. Choosing low-viscosity vinylsiliconeoil is choosing a green and healthy future. In short, low-viscosity vinylsiliconeoil is leading a materials revolution. With its unique properties and wide range of applications, it not only promotes the rapid development of related industries, but also brings more convenience and possibilities to our lives. Let us look forward together to the days to come when low-viscosity vinylsiliconeoil will create more miracles and surprises for us.